Well, we went to the mall today, not to buy something, but to just play at K&D stores. But they went out of business, and they're selling all of their summer stuff for like $3. Come here, I'll hand it to Mommy. So they got all this stuff for $7. Let's go. And it's all meant for a beach. But Brayden was just wearing the backpack and pushing those two things at the same time. It's pretty impressive. Hey Brayden, what's that? Is that a backpack?
Backpack.
That's right, backpack. And this is a wagon. Wagon, that's right. And that's a cart. Shovel. Wagon. Yeah, that's the dustpan. He knows what to do with that shovel. Yeah, you got the sound effect. Good job. Brayden, can you do surprise, baby? Surprise, baby! No. Surprise! Yeah. Oh, does that scare you? No, we're not going to breastfeed. No, we're not going to breastfeed.